everyone! So for today's video, we're gonna make banana bread. First, we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients such as sugar, salt, baking soda, and flour. So we're gonna mix all together. So after mixing all the dry ingredients, we're gonna mix all the wet ingredients such as the banana. Make sure the bananas are ripe. And then we're gonna smash it. So we already put 4 bananas here. 4 ripe bananas here. Now we're gonna smash it like what I'm doing right now. And then after that, we're gonna put canola oil.
Okay.
And vanilla extract. After that, we're gonna put some eggs too. So now, I'm just gonna put 2 eggs and mix this all together. So now I'm gonna use the whisk to mix it thoroughly. So after mixing the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients, we're gonna put a little bit here first. So we're gonna put these dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Just half of it so that we could mix it thoroughly.
Okay.
Then after putting it, whisk it like so.
Ano na yan?
Hindi ko alam. And then we're gonna put all of this here and then mix it again. So we're gonna use spatula to mix it because it's really hard to use whisk. So since it's really hard to use whisk, I'm gonna use wooden spatula to mix all of these ingredients. So while doing this, we should preheat our oven for like 350 Fahrenheit. And then you could use walnuts or chocolate chips to mix this banana bread, or to put chocolate chip on top of it. So after mixing all the ingredients, so we're gonna spray olive oil or any oils that you guys have in your kitchen. Spray it in the pan, like so. Just so to avoid it sticking all the ingredients in the pan. So we mix the chocolate chips and the walnuts, and then we're gonna mix it.
Chop them up.
Make sure the walnuts are chopped, and I'm just gonna mix this thoroughly to make sure they have even distributions. So after mixing everything, make sure you sprayed your baking pan with any choice of your oil. And then we're gonna put everything here. Just want to make sure everything is clean. So now we're gonna put everything here. So after putting it up, you can put walnuts on top, but now we're just gonna leave it as is. Then we're gonna put it in the oven for 350 Fahrenheit for about an hour, and we'll be back. So ito na yung finished product natin. After an hour, okay na siya. So let's just gonna like this. And then we're gonna ano siya. So
ayan.
Ito na po yung finished product natin. So dito natin makikita kung tama ba yung pagkakaluto natin. Diba? Nakikita ko na nagme-melt yung chocolate chips. So excited. So, medyo crispy siya on top. Ayan ang finished product. So, I'm gonna try it. Papalamigin lang natin.
Sabi mo, ang lasa. Oh, sayang.
Pop.
Sabi.
Ang pop.